other two species in the park, the greater and the lesser flamingos that you can find over at the Flamingo Lake, just around the corner to your right. It's actually pretty easy to tell all the species apart because for right now, for instance, the Caribbean flamingos are the larger ones and a darker pink in color, and the Chilean flamingo is actually a nicer, smaller one, and you can see one right at the front right now. The master flamingos, because as the name suggests, the greater flamingos are much larger, almost twice the height of the lesser flamingos. And if you get the chance to look at the lesser flamingo up close, if it comes close to you, you can see that it's a very distinct red eye color, unlike the other flamingos. And once again, for those of you who have just joined us, if you want to feed the flamingos, just head over to Prabhu. He's right at the front in the green uniform, and you can get some bread from him, alright? We accept any amount of donations, and all proceeds will go to the Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. You'll be doing a good deed because the Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund will help the collection of the systems and this flocking actually is very important because in the wild they use it to communicate to ensure that they stick together, as these birds depend on safety in numbers. Wild flamingos can be found in very large flocks that number up to millions of them in a single area. And although they do not have a lot of natural predators, to this day these birds are still being hunted by humans for their beautiful feathers. So please do not support any animal related products if these will take part in pet trade, okay? And another thing that these flamingos are known for are their very long, slender legs, and they've also been called the supermodels of the bird world. While those legs actually have another function, it allows them to wade into deeper waters where other wading birds cannot reach, so that they can access food not available to other birds as well. And as we all know, the charm of these flamingos lies in their very bright pink color. And this bright pink color occurs naturally because of their diet, which is very high in beta-carotene. So this beta-carotene is what gives them that bright pink color. And juvenile flamingos who have not yet fed, if you want to feed the flamingos, you still have some bread and so just go to Prabhu. Just go right in front and you can get some bread for any amount of donations, right? All proceeds will go to the Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. We accept any contribution you would like to give, and we'll give you some bread in return to feed the birds. If you are wondering which feeding sessions, if you're interested in the next feeding sessions, we have a 140 AM aspect feeding session, which is after the December activity. So we can get the entire itinerary right now. Just to the right to the left and follow the road out to the road, turn up and you will see the Dino Dictionary where you can see the hospital. So afterwards I head down to the Press and Coffee.